We're at round 4. I keep forgetting the date today. 6th day of October, 2024. So yeah, that's the thing going up there, the Metonic. Here we go. Back down. Probably can kind of hear it in the background, but I don't think they could probably, computer would pick up on it, but all right. Oh my goodness. Go. The Jets were 17-10 Vikings. I checked. So they go back to the state capitol down Summit. So she showed me a little map of it. So down we go. I don't have them down there like that. Just gotta go down and get him. Don't have him way down there, man. That's how kids get snatched. So there we are. We'll cruise on down here. I love these chairs. They're nice, but keep forgetting what day it is today. I know it's Sunday, but what the date is. So, I hope we get a lot of snow this winter. I hope we already did. I mean, it's coming out in June, but hope we get a lot of snow. We need it. We need a real cold winter. Get rid of all the weeds and shady oak, everything else. So another hiking adventure down the stairs. All the way down the stairs. Nice day for a walk, huh? Yeah. Get any good pictures? Good. All right. We've made it to the bottom. Oop.
Have a good one.
Yep, thanks for the information, young lady.
Of course.
All right. Well, yeah, she took him down the old mighty mo. But you gotta be careful, man. You don't want to see that kid fall down the stairs and hurt himself. I knew that kind of behavior. Yep. At the time of the life. Great exploring down here. Kind of walk back in here. We were down here last time. People brought a bunch of grills down here and they were grilling out. Yeah, it's the Franklin Bridge. So they go across that bad boy. I realized I'm on an eighth of a tank when I got here. I'm like, oh crap. Gotta get gas off of University Avenue. So, yeah, you can bring your dogs down here. Regardless of that music up there because of the marathon. Last year they canceled it. It was like 90 degrees. But I say let them run. If they want to run, let them run. So you see down here, we were on the Columbia, the river, and you're down by the dam. You see all the big fish come up. Oh my goodness, it's cool as hell. So yeah, there's kind of a party area down here. Whack world. Put Wacko. Wacko Bob. There's a chair over there. Walk along the river. Hang out. Hey, come on down here. Looks like you go swimming, fishing. There's somebody over there. Where I was over there. Walked down there in the last video. I couldn't, I'd walk the thing. I don't think I could run a marathon. I'm a Nancy boy. I used to jog a lot when I was younger, but I see people jogging. I give them a way to go, but my knees, not a chance. Yep. East River Flats. You walk over there, that takes you over there. Something takes you back into there. See, where's this one go to? Anywhere fun? Oh my goodness. No dead bodies. Looks like you kind of, if you want to go that way, but up the hill. But I figure, what the hell, you never know. I mean, you could find a body back in here. No body, no crime, right? Somebody asked me if I was a mass killer. I guess I could be. No body, no crime. No. Because I'm walking through the woods talking about it. I listen to Mafia. I'll tell you what, no bodies, no crime, huh? So. So when I was here last time, people were over there, partying over there. So people come down here and hang out, and they build fires and have the time of their life. You can kind of see the trees start to turn on the other side. You see the oaks and stuff, and the maples. I got a big maple in my backyard. So, the hell, right? Just a great day. And besides the screaming I can hear from the race, you don't know you're in the middle of Minneapolis somewhere, middle of nowhere. Like you've seen me do that 2 different times. I did the video down by Hidden Creek. You're down there, that's a great place. It takes, you know, kindergartners down there, whatever, in the place behind my house, and show them nature and things that might pop up. Like I said, the Appalachian Trail has got a lot of cool stuff. Great outdoors is not always used. So yeah, you can, like I said, over there, you can see some campfires over there. Like I said, you can do your campfiring. I used to go camp my buddy at Wolf River. We've done that before, and we had a gas, but we burned all our garbage or buried it or took it out with us. Leave no trace behind. No trail back here, but kind of less traveled. It's kind of a cool area to walk. There's one we walked last year in Eden Prairie. Long walk around. It was during the fall. Oh, it was absolutely gorgeous. I did a winter video there one time. Lost hidden whatever over in Eden Prairie. It's really kind of a cool place to walk all the way around or bike around. Yeah, they're screaming and hollering up there. gonna walk back into here. All trails lead to the mighty, mighty Mo, right? Sooner or later, you're gonna get there. Come down here and look out the mighty, mighty Mo. So anyways, so we're gonna have a seat right here, relax a little bit, take some more pictures, and look out the mighty, mighty Mo. All right, guys. See you in the next one.